Bilang isang nanay, gusto ko laging comfortable si baby sa mga sinusuot at ginagamit niya. Kaya naman pagdating sa diaper, I use Inspi Babies talaga. It's thin and very soft diaper, kaya naman I really like it for my baby. At syempre, bumili rin ako ng Inspi Kids Baby Wipes kasi it's very affordable and perfect to clean my baby's face and body. Kaya naman si baby super fresh and clean lagi. At syempre, super active at very comfortable sa kanyang suot na diaper. Kahit maghapong suot ang Inspi Babies diaper, talaga namang no leak. At dahil sensitive nga din ang skin ni baby, talagang no rush din talaga siya dito. Ang ganda pa nito kasi it has stretchable waistband and highly absorbent and breathable soft sheet. At meron pa ngang double leak guard. At ang galing kasi it has wetness indicator, kaya naman malalaman mo na ipuno na ang diaper ni baby. And it also 20 times thinner other brands, but it's super absorbent talaga. At ang galing kasi it has also resealable tapes to roll up the diaper after use. Kaya naman if you're looking for good quality yet affordable baby diaper,